We value nature because neither our business nor the communities that we serve can possibly prosper in an unhealthy natural world. Our relationship with nature must radically alter from the extractive, destructive relationship that we have today to a regenerative, symbiotic relationship tomorrow. Now, recognizing this, Unilever is committed to protect and regenerate nature. We will have a deforestation-free supply chain. We will ensure 100% sustainable sourcing of our key agricultural crops. We will empower farmers and smallholders to protect and regenerate land. We will implement water stewardship programs in over 100 water-stressed locations. We will ensure that 100% of our ingredients are biodegradable, and recently announced that we will help protect and regenerate 1.5 million hectares of land, forests, and oceans. As we work to protect and regenerate nature, we will do so in a way that helps tackle inequality and safeguards the rights of people and communities. These actions, we believe, will help secure our business for tomorrow while making ourselves more relevant and appealing today. Have a great World Congress.
Thank you.